Dear students of STEM schools in Egypt, how to draw a truss bridge using Google SketchUp. We will use SketchUp for designing the truss bridge, movable bridge in your capstone in grade 10. First of all, I would like to welcome you in STEM education schools, and let's go now and open the startup, and then we will use this measure tape and draw the line of the length of the bridge. And follow me in this video. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every important videos we upload, and press like and share the video with others so we can be reachable through Google search engine and YouTube search engine. With you, engineer and educator Osama Ghamdoun. Let's go now. After we draw the length of the line which correspond to the length of the bridge, we will divide it to segments like these segments and draw a vertical line for each segment. So draw the vertical lines and vertical points, and then complete by drawing the diagonals of the rectangles, perpendicular rectangles, as you see here, perpendicular diagonals, and then we complete. Then we will finish this drawing by the upper length. So please note that this one, the design of the truss bridge, the diagonal here is the inverse direction of these diagonals. So we have 3 rectangles here and the other 3 rectangles in the other side in the opposite direction. Then we complete by putting the dimension of each segment and the total length. So as you see, we can zoom in to show that the total length is 900 millimeters or 90 centimeters, and we showing you all the details and all the dimensions on each segment. And note, this approximately design you have to calculate in mechanical ways by the computing the forces in the x-axis and y-axis, by analyzing forces in these diagonals using summation of x equals 0 and summation of y equals 0 and the summation of momentum equals 0 about each point of these points of the bridge. And through this computation of the the total weight, the maximum is 5 kilograms. So here one support and the other in the another support, and all the body of the bridge will distribute all these 5 kilograms. So by analyzing mechanical forces, you can compute this angle, and by computing this angle and suppose the length, you can calculate each segment length perpendicular of width in the vertical line and the diagonal one using Pythagoras or the trigonometric equations. Let's go and complete the drawing. These all the dimensions required, as you see. We put all the dimensions here, and also I copy and paste. So Control Z, I copied this one and paste it, as you see, and put it in the dimension which is the width of the bridge. This width I will compute now the dimension of it and put the upper layers, upper segments, as you see. Also in truss in cross, and this is the width. The dimension is 217 millimeter, because we have a scale of 1 to 50. So this is approximately 11 meters. So it means that 1100 millimeters. If we divide it by 50, we reach this, or we divide it by 5, 1 to 5, okay, we reach this length. Then we complete the diagram as you see here. Completed the diagram by painting it. You can paint it here. You can print it or distribute it to the assistant or the builder. You can distribute to stakeholders to collect the money needed and calculate all the materials and calculate the budget, total budget to install this bridge in real life using the iron I-beam or H-beam according, and with the total thickness of iron beam or H-beam according to the scale and to the heavy weight of the bridge. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask and I will reply you as soon as possible. With you, engineer and educating Osama Bandur. Press like and share the video with other students, and subscribe to the channel to reach every important video. Thank you.